Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to tackle the chapter 5 entitled The Internet. So what is Internet? Internet is a network of computers linking many different types of computers all over the world. It is a globally connected network system that facilitates communication and data services through a vast collection of networks. So Internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. The term internet is derived from the word interconnected networks, meaning the large network of computer networks connecting worldwide. So how did the internet develop? Internet was developed in late 1960s. The internet has its root in the ARPANET system of the Advanced Research Project Agency of US. ARPANET is known as the forefather of internet. So who first created internet? Bob Kahn and Vince Cerf, an American computer scientist who developed TCP/IP, the set of protocols that governs how data moves through a network. This helped the ARPANET evolve into the internet we use today. Vinton Gray Fermium RS is an American internet pioneer and is recognized as one of the father of the internet. So there are three types of the internet. So the first one is the satellite internet. Satellite internet uses satellites in space to connect its users to the internet. So examples, GPS. So GPS is the global positioning system, provides navigation and location information globally. The second type of the internet is the mobile internet. It is circulated to the internet device from cellular towers. Examples, 4G LTE or the fourth generation long-term evolution. It enhanced data speeds, support high-definition video streaming, online gaming, and mobile applications. And the last type of the internet is the DSL internet or the digital subscriber line. It is a common internet service in which the connection is provided through a telephone network wires. So now we're moving on to the lesson 1 of the chapter 5 entitled The Dark Side of the Internet. The dark side of the internet encompasses illicit activities like cybercrime, hacking, illegal markets, and anonymity for harmful behavior, posing risks to users' security, privacy, and well-being. The first dark side of the internet is the cybercrime and fraud. Cybercrime is a prevalent issue on the dark side of the internet, encompassing a wide range of illicit activities such as hacking, phishing, and online fraud. Cybercrime refers to criminal activities conducted through digital means, often targeting computers, networks, or other digital devices. It encompasses a wide range of illegal activities facilitated by technology. Examples are phishing and hacking. So the first example of cybercrime and fraud is the phishing. It is sending deceptive emails or messages to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers. The second example of the cybercrime and fraud is the hacking. Unauthorized access into computer system or networks to steal data, disrupt operations, or cause damage. The second dark side of the internet is the deep web and the dark web. Beyond the surface web that most users interact with daily lies the deep web and the dark web. So now let's proceed to the third dark side of the internet, which is the online harassment and cyberbullying. The anonymity afforded by the internet has fueled a surge in online harassment and cyberbullying. Social media platforms and online forums provide platforms for individuals to engage in abusive behavior, targeting victims with harmful messages, threats, and intimidation, leading to psychological distress and emotional harm. The fourth dark side of the internet, which is the privacy breaches and data exploitation. Privacy breaches and data exploitation are prevalent on the dark side of the internet, with cybercriminals and malicious actors exploiting vulnerabilities to access and misuse personal information. So now let's proceed to the last dark side of the internet, which is the spread of misinformation and disinformation. The internet serves as a breeding ground for dissemination of misinformation and disinformation, influencing public opinion and shaping narratives. Fake news, propaganda, and manipulated content can spread rapidly across online platforms, leading to confusion, polarization, and societal unrest. The spread of misinformation involves unintentionally false or misleading information shared. While the internet offers unparalleled connectivity and opportunities, it also harbors a shadowy realm like with threats and dangers. Understanding the dark side of the internet is crucial for users to navigate the digital landscape safely, adopt cybersecurity best practices, and protect themselves against the hidden risks that lurks in the depths of cyberspace.